The global economic system has undergone several changes over the past few centuries, with different ideologies dominating at different times. Capitalism, communism, socialism, and liberalism are some of the major economic systems that have been implemented across various parts of the world. Each of these systems has its advantages and disadvantages, and there have been debates on which is the most effective. This report proposes the development of a new economic system called world economism, which combines the best elements of capitalism, communism, socialism, and liberalism. Capitalism is a market-based economic system that emphasizes private ownership, entrepreneurship, and free market competition. One of the strengths of capitalism is its ability to promote innovation and competition, leading to economic growth and technological advancements. However, capitalism also leads to income inequality, as some individuals or groups accumulate wealth at the expense of others. The focus on profits can also result in environmental damage and social injustice. Communism is a social and political ideology that advocates for the collective ownership of property and resources. In a communist system, the government is responsible for distributing resources and ensuring that everyone's needs are met. While communism offers an ideal of equality, it often leads to a lack of incentives to innovate, corruption, and government control over every aspect of life, leading to a loss of individual freedoms. Socialism is an economic system that seeks to create a balance between capitalism and communism. It allows for private ownership of property and businesses, while also emphasizing the importance of government intervention in ensuring that wealth and resources are distributed fairly. However, socialism can lead to a lack of incentives for individuals and businesses to innovate and can sometimes result in government inefficiencies. Liberalism is an economic and political philosophy that emphasizes individual freedom, democracy, and free market capitalism. It allows individuals to pursue their own interests and is characterized by limited government intervention in the economy. While liberalism emphasizes individual freedoms and free markets, it can lead to income inequality and environmental degradation. Proposal: World economism seeks to combine the best aspects of capitalism, communism, socialism, and liberalism to create an economic system that is equitable, innovative, and sustainable. This system aims to create an environment where businesses can still be profitable while ensuring that everyone has access to the resources and opportunities needed to succeed. To achieve this, world economism proposes the following principles. Resource distribution: the government would be responsible for ensuring that resources are distributed equitably, and no one is left behind. This would involve a basic income, access to healthcare and education, and other basic necessities that ensure a decent standard of living for everyone. Collective ownership: certain essential industries and resources, such as healthcare, education, and natural resources, would be owned collectively by society. This would ensure that these resources are not exploited for the benefit of a few, but rather used for the benefit of all. Private ownership: private businesses and property ownership would still be allowed, but regulations would be in place to ensure that these entities operate in a socially responsible manner. This would include environmental regulations, worker protections, and ethical business practices. Innovation and competition: innovation and competition would still be incentivized, but the focus would shift from maximizing profits to creating sustainable and socially responsible products and services. The government would provide incentives for businesses that prioritize sustainability and social responsibility. Individual freedoms and democracy: world economism would ensure that individual freedoms and democracy are upheld, allowing individuals to pursue their own interests while promoting transparency and accountability in government and businesses. Conclusion: the development of world economism offers a promising solution to the problems and limitations of the current economic systems. By combining the best elements of capitalism, communism, socialism, and liberalism, world economism seeks to create an economic system that is equitable, innovative,